Hi everyone, my name is Eric Schurter, and I'm the product manager for the editor group, which is part of the create stage of the DevOps lifecycle here at GitLab. And I'm excited to share with you a couple things that we have in store for the 14.1 milestone. As usual, I'll link to our planning issue, which is here on the screen in the video description. And from there, you can link to our release board, which has all the work that we have scheduled for the milestone. But I want to highlight just a couple new features that we have in store for 14.1. The first is related to our source editor. Now this is the underlying editing component that powers snippets, Web IDE, single file editor, the pipeline editor, and is used a few other places around GitLab. So right now, I'll just open up the single file editor, and you can see this readme.markdown file has a write mode, you're editing the source, and a preview mode. This is pretty standard. We've had this for a very long time. What we've got now is a proof of concept in the source editor for a side-by-side live preview of the Markdown content, so you don't have to toggle between the tabs to get your rendered preview. That's really useful to cut down on the time it takes to switch between the tabs and keep your context in state of flow while you're writing. So we're really excited to bring that across the finish line in 14.1. Next, speaking of Markdown, in 14.0, we introduced the content editor to the wiki, and the content editor is our new Wysiwyg Markdown editor. There is support for a lot of the basic content types in Markdown, like bold and italic and block quotes and stuff like that. But there's a large amount of content types in GitLab flavored Markdown that we still have to work to build support for. So in 14.1, we're going to be working on the ability to insert images directly into the content editor, and that'll get us one step closer to having a fully featured Wysiwyg editor in the wiki. So looking forward to bringing those and many other small bug fixes to 14.1, and I'll see you next month. Thanks.